friends, and welcome back to this week's Tea Time Autumn Craft. Today's craft will be something quite easy and relaxing. It's only start of the week and I'm already busy, and the rest of the week will be quite hectic as well, since I will be moving to my tiny house. I wanted to focus on something simple and something that will just feel really good making. So I decided to do autumn leaves. Like, I'm gonna draw on the leaves and I'm gonna glue them or tie them to a yarn, and I can hang them somewhere and it will be like an autumn decoration, since the theme is autumn crafts while having tea. Let's get started on this week's crafting. This week's tea choice is this black cardamom tea. This is absolutely one of my favorites. It just even smells so nice and it tastes so good, and I drink it with milk. I got 2 leaves done and I think they're really pretty, and third one I didn't get ready because I ran out of this white paint pen thing. It's wrap up time. Today wasn't the best of days. I ran out of this white ink pen, so I couldn't make as many of these decorated leaves as I wanted to, but overall I think it went nicely, and I can still fill in some of the leaves later, so I think it's just fine. this is the end result. I think it's really cute. Now only thing missing is a fireplace that I actually could hang this, but I will find a place for it. No problem. I think it's really perfect for autumn decoration. I love how it's from natural leaves and this yarn that I just had at home. So I didn't buy anything new for it. So this will definitely be something really easy to make and would instantly make your home so autumnal. Like, I can't wait to hang this up and have candles in the tiny house and just enjoy the fall. And I have like the leaves inside of the house as well outside, so I'm really happy. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoy me crafting this autumn leaf craft and hope to see you again next week. Bye!